Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making slow cooker Alpine pork chops. What all goes into the slow cooker Alpine pork chops? 4 boneless pork chops, 1 can cream of mushroom soup, 1/2 cup chicken broth, 1 cup shredded Swiss cheese or cheese of your choice. I have the Hickory Smokehouse blend. 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced. I've got the already minced stuff. 1 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. So let's begin. Take a pan, put your 1 tablespoon of olive oil and heat that over medium-high heat. Salt and pepper your pork chops, which I already have, to your taste. Brown the pork chops on both sides 3 to 4 minutes. Take your slow cooker, dump in your can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, your 1/2 cup of chicken broth, then add your 1 cup of Swiss cheese or cheese of your choice. I'm using Hickory Smokehouse blend. Never tried it. It's a limited edition and it sounds good. And then your 1 onion diced. I started to cut up my onion and it was rotten, so I have 1 tablespoon of minced onion here, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and then 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and mix that up. Then put in your browned pork chops, and you'll want to submerge them in the sauce. That looks pretty good. Put your lid on it. Turn your slow cooker to low, and then cook that on low for 6 to 8 hours, or until pork chops are tender and cooked through. When it's time to serve, stir the sauce up. And after you dish it up, then you can add some more cheese to serve it with. So here is the slow cooker Alpine pork chops. Rounding out the meal is cheddar and sour cream mashed potatoes with some of that sauce from the crock pot on it, and a dinner roll. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Some kind of chicken?
Pork chop.
Oh. It's a jumping pork chop. Wow, that's tender. It fell apart just poking it with the fork. I can see that falling off before I get it in my mouth. I can see the future. Should go buy a lottery ticket.
It'll say, you want a pork chop.
That's good.
That is slow cooker Alpine pork chops.
Man, those are so tender. Like it?
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.